ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದೇ ಗಾಡಿ हाँ इधर ले नहीं आराम से नहीं हाँ दियो हाँ देती नहीं हाँ देती ठहरो मजे तो टेंशन कर ठहरो आराम देती आराम से सर 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 थोड़ा एक मिनट सर 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 ये सर थोड़ा सर वेट वही जो खड़े हो जी हाँ ओके 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 सर सर
social activist or social thinker, industrialist.
Sir, atra bari. Sir,
strong in his field.
सर थोड़ा मास्क सर मास्क सर सर इधर सर सर इरी ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
Assalamu alaikum. This honor first goes to the state of Karnataka. Most of the dignitaries sitting here are also from the Kerala. I am very sorry, Kerala. Kerala given the birth to the point of NRIs throughout the globe initially. Just like our Arabs came to Kerala, NRI generated from the state of Kerala. This honor exclusively goes to the Kerala. I am very honored by that, with that my invitation and all. And apart from the representations and suggestions put here, the NRIs have to come to Bangalore, most particularly in Karnataka, Bangalore, which is a very great, very big boosting place for the NRIs in the year at least by 2025 to 2030. It is beyond the limit of Saudi Arabia, Qatar, New York, London. The Bangalore is the place, and these NRIs are the best entrepreneurs who can grow here even with the help of government or with their own skills. Being I am the helping citizen, I am having the NGO. With that, under my organization, I have lot of schemes freely. With only the skills of the NRIs, they can make the separate nation here. The separate means the economical nation because of their hard work, their kind of contribution, dedication they have done. And it is the most honorable place for them is the Bangalore, because amongst the world, Bangalore is the first according to me and my research and my survey. The many NRIs are welcome here to Bangalore, and we are all here with the government along with my NGO. We all help them to grow them equivalent to other countries' government here on their own with the help of the government and the kind of their facilities, because our dignitaries said the government can give the facilities, government can give the loan concession. It is maybe it is also one among us that, but there are a lot of other in the name of education, in the name of skilled employment, skilled industries are there. Without anybody's help, the NRIs are most welcome. They can make a new India and a better India with their own skills also, whatever they have learned throughout the globe. I request all the NRIs to consider Bangalore, and this honor again goes to the Kerala. Thank you to all the dignitaries here.
Will be more. I am not going to the details of that. Then agricultural field, small scale industries, every field Kerala is not able to go on with that. I am not finding fault with anybody or blaming A party, B party or C party. I am not like. Kerala's nature is like that. But Kerala people, it is called by an economist recently, Kerala is a money order economy. Then money order economy, how exists, how pull on, how surviving is a question mark. Of course, Almighty God helping us. Karnataka also concerned, not only Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and southern states especially concerned, Pravasi income is one of the main part of the existing economy in such states. I can say Kerala, total income of the Kerala government by way of budget, income part, I think, this is my personal assessment, not based on any serious study, but as a public worker, my opinion is that even total income of the government as per the budget, more than that income coming to Kerala from Pravasis. And so Pallikandi as well as Kunyahamad is concerned, I would like to say, for protecting Kerala people also, they are in the forefront of this organization and its activities. Be able to make its supporters, its members, Pravasis present, be able to make its supporters, its members, Pravasis present yesterday, and hope, and I am requesting the organizers, you spread it.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे।
Good evening, all of us. On the dais, Sri P.S. Sridharamula, and we had conducted a meeting at 3 p.m. regarding their health, regarding their education. It eliminates all inequality. The government should provide scholarship to the children of NR. Most of the NR children.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.